Welcome. If you're looking to update your Instagram close friends list using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. Whether you want to keep your stories more private or simply tidy up your list, I'll walk you through the latest steps after the new update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. You'll see the familiar layout, but with the recent update, some options have moved around a bit. Next, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a vertical menu. Find the icon labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on this icon to expand a new set of options. From the expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Close Friends. Click on it to access your current close friends list. This is where you can add or remove people who see your private stories. To remove someone, simply type their name into the search bar at the top of the Close Friends page. As you type, Instagram will show matching accounts from your list. When you see the person you want to remove, click on their name. You'll notice a check mark or a highlighted icon next to their profile, indicating they're currently on your close friends list. To remove them, just click the check mark or icon. It should unselect, confirming that they're no longer on your close friends list. And that's it. You've successfully removed someone from your close friends on Instagram using the PC app. These changes are instant, so your stories will no longer be visible to that person in your close friends group. If you want to double check, just refresh your close friends list to make sure the changes have been saved. Keeping your close friends list up to date is a great way to control who sees your more personal content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tips for making the most of your Instagram experience.